Exercise number 1, Dumbbell Lateral Raise. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Stand tall, lift the dumbbells out to the sides with control. Stop at shoulder height and squeeze your delts. No swinging, keep it clean and feel that shoulder burn. Exercise number 2, Seated Shoulder Press. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Sit strong, dumbbells at shoulder level, press straight up with power. Control the way down and keep your core tight. Big strength, big shoulders, stay focused. Exercise number 3, Dumbbell Reverse Fly. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Hinge forward, arms hanging down, lift the dumbbells out wide. Squeeze your rear delts at the top and lower slowly. Perfect posture work, own every rep. Exercise number 4, Weighted Front Raise. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Lift the weight straight up in front of you to shoulder height. Control the movement and lower slowly. Front delts on fire, stay steady and strong. Exercise number 5, Barbell Wide Shrug. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Grip the bar wide and shrug your shoulders straight up. Squeeze hard at the top and lower with control. Build those traps, no rolling, just pure power. Exercise number 6, Barbell Upright Row. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Pull the bar up toward your chest, elbows high and wide. Control the descent and keep tension in your shoulders and traps. Finish strong, clean and powerful reps.